So, this is the timing chain guide for one of the banks on the S62. Don't really know which one it is. Part number I'll put on the video because I don't actually have what it is. But what quite often happens is these guides are quite brittle. So the actual guide breaks. Now this one at the moment still has the hook, so it's still actually okay. I could probably reuse it. This aluminium one part almost never breaks. There's a O-ring here which is solid, and there's an O-ring here. I understand there is a part number for this that's on another part of the engine, but it works for this, and this one you can also get as well. There could be a part number in that. It's not a part number there. There is a part number on it somewhere, but I'll put it on there. Now, why is this a problem? You say it shouldn't be a problem. There's your guide. See, when it's clipped on, this one's still a bit wobbly. So, problem is, BMW doesn't make that anymore. If you notice as well, there is 3 little holes somewhere there. 1, 2, 3. They all go into this O-ring area and help to lubricate the engine chains. That part, technically NLA. BMW advise now to take the guide off the M60, which is a similar engine, V8, and transfer over. But what people are noticing, it doesn't have these 3 holes in. Now, how do we get around this? There's actually a company in the States that makes this. As you can see, 3 holes. It has the same slot guides, same clip, and that will replace that plastic. If we're going to rebuild the engine, we should probably do everything we can to actually make sure we don't have to rebuild it again. Now, this other guide, the V channel, is still available from BMW. Mine has broken slightly here. It's loose. It's not meant to be loose. It's because these clips that hold it on, they're starting to break. I don't know how many miles this guide's done, but you don't really want to, rebuild an engine with all the gaskets and have the actual guide to be loose. So the amazing guys at Partee Racing have also fabricated this. So this is a direct replacement. Milled aluminium. New guide. It's a different type of material. You see it doesn't have the bits, and it's actually fused onto the back. Very nice quality piece. Comes with the right O-ring, which we would like to change anyhow. Comes with the other O-ring there, and also has the slot here where the actual first guide would go in. If we're going to build the engine up from scratch, we may as well use these parts. We're forced to use this part because BMW no longer make it. Yes, you can take the M61, drill some holes in it, and that may work. This, according to Partee Racing and various other sources on the internet, is the main reason why the S62s fail. This plastic guide breaks down, as you can see on this one. It's already started to break down and move. That then gets lodged in the engine, can cause the chain to jump. A sound investment of time, money. So these have just landed. Still don't have the block back. I want to thank you to all of the new subscribers. I think we're up to about 142 now. So we're going there slowly. Still have to do quite a large cleanup on the pistons, the sump and various other bits. Still gathering together a list of all of the bits that go to build the engine. This chain guide, although technically good, I just don't trust it. We'll have to get a new O-ring for there, new O-ring for here. I was going to get a whole new chain guide, but can't buy them. Okay guys, thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot for Partee Racing for manufacturing these. That means that now the S62 can live on with new chain guides. And we'll see you in a couple of weeks. Bye-bye.